In this lesson, we're going to review the equation of a line, and we're going to go over the slope-intercept form, which is the most common equation of a line. So it's called slope-intercept form for a pretty specific reason. When we look at the equation, we're going to know what the slope is and what the intercept is. When we talk about the intercept, we mean the y-intercept, which is this spot right here where it intersects. So the slope-intercept form is simply y equals mx plus b. M is the slope, and b is the y-intercept. So b is simply the number on the y-axis where the line crosses. So let's look at this line, and from the graph, figure out what the equation of the line is. So let's start with slope. We know slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, or simply the change in the y over the change in the x. So we have a point here and a point here. So we can see what the rise is. Well, initially y is 0 at this point, and it goes up to 2. So from here to here, the rise is 2. Okay, now we'll look at the x values. Initially this is at -3, and to get to this point we move over 3 spots because this is at x equals 0. So it goes from -3 to 0, so that's a change of 3. So we have the slope is 2/3. Now let's look at the y-intercept. This line crosses the y-axis at this point. Okay, we're not going to write down the x-coordinate because the x-coordinate on the y-axis is always 0. We only care about the y-intercept, so this value here, which in this case is 2. So b equals 2. So if we write down the equation of a line, y equals mx plus b, we have y equals m, which is 2/3, so 2/3 times x, plus b, which in this case is 2, so plus 2. So the equation of this line is y equals 2/3 x plus 2. So the slope-intercept form for the equation of the line is y equals m, which is the slope, times x plus b, which is the y-intercept.